In today's video, we're going to cover NVC update of this week, cases, document, and emails they are working on this week. It's going to be the first update of the year 2023, and also we're going to cover January 2023 visa bulletin board for some of you guys who are not immediate relative. Okay, if it's something you want to know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Mon.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is John from USA London. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding the I-130 process. We talk about different topics as well. Not only I-130 processing immigration topic, we talk about different immigration topic as well, and also, like I said, we cover other topics that will help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. I need to do a better job on talking about other topics than the immigration, just immigration, because I got a lot of videos regarding immigration topics. So guys, if you are a petitioner, meaning that you petition for a relative or you decide to petition for a relative, you have to know the process. Okay, before you make it before you start the process, you have to know exactly how it works. Okay, some of you guys already started the process. I don't know where you are. Maybe you're waiting for a welcome letter, maybe you're waiting for approval letter from USCIS, or you're waiting for any of your appointment letter. So if you are a petitioner, let's say you just started, okay, you want to start it. So as a petitioner, you're going to file I-130 form. Okay, you file the form. Depend if you're filing for your spouse, then you have to file I-130A on top of that. So we'll add different document, all those information, all the required document, and you send the package and also the fees, and then you send the package to USCIS. Okay, now once the USCIS will receive your package, they will check and see if you pay the correct fee and all those stuff, and then they will send you a letter saying that okay, they receive it's not a letter, it's a receipt, saying that they receive your package, and then they're going to process the case. They're going to work on your case. Once the case is approved, they will send you a letter saying that okay, your case is approved. So now, if the person you petition for lives here in the United States of America, the case will stay at USCIS level. Okay, the case won't move to NVC. You don't have to worry about NVC, National Visa Center. The case will stay at USCIS, so your relative can adjust his or her status, meaning they're applying for a green card. Okay, but in case your relative lives overseas, you want to bring your relative to the United States of America, the case will move to NVC, National Visa Center. Okay, so once the case moves to NVC, National Visa Center, they're gonna create a visa case and then send you a welcome letter. Now, depending on who you petition for, let's say you petition for your spouse or your child or children under age, your parent, those family members are considered immediate relative. Okay, so if you petition for those immediate relative, you will receive the welcome letter quicker than somebody who is not immediate relative, like your brother or your sister, if you petition for your brother or sister. So now, this week NVC announced on the website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on November 7th. Meaning that some of you guys will receive that welcome letter. On the welcome letter, you will see a case number and invoice ID. So you're going to use those things to log into NVC, Computer Electronic Application Center, to pay fees, and then to pay to submit some document. So now you're going to pay 2 fees. Okay, and this information is for some of you guys who are new in the process. Okay, some of you guys already know the process. Okay, don't worry too much about this part. So you will pay 2 fees. You will pay an immigrant visa fee and also affiliate support fees. Okay, and after that, you're gonna file a DS on 260 or submit some documents. So you, the petitioner, you're gonna submit some document, and then the beneficiary will submit some document as well, called civil document. So once you submit all those documents and pay the fees, what NVC gonna do? They're gonna review everything. Make sure you pay the correct fee. They want you to pay the correct fee. They want you to submit the correct document. If some documents are not clear, guess what? They're gonna send it back to you and ask you to, resubmit it. If you submit the wrong document, they're gonna, send you email saying that okay, that's not the correct document. This is the one you're gonna submit. So after Once everything is there is no issue there, everything is fine, then you're going to be documented to qualify. Okay, so this week NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on November 29. Okay, and then once they review everything, like I said, some of you guys will be documented to qualify, and it's time for you to wait for your interview appointment letter. Dun, dun, dun. That's a long wait. I know a lot of you guys still waiting for your interview appointment letter now. Well, yeah, it takes time to get your interview appointment letter. Okay, especially some of you guys who are not immediate relative. It's even taking longer than people who are immediate relative, like people who are in CR1 or CR2 or CR5. IR5. Um, Category. Okay, and then the third update is regarding inquiries. Some of you guys send inquiries to NVC. Maybe you kind of upset, you don't know what is to do, you don't know what to do anymore. You decide to send NVC inquiries, ask some different questions: what's going on, what can you do, how you can bring your relative to the United States of America quicker, how to expedite your case and stuff like that. Different people, different visa applicant or petitioners send different inquiries. So NVC announced on their website that they are responding to the one they received from you guys on December 2022, and make sure you check your inbox to see if NVC send you email. Also, you'll make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes the email will go to the spam folder. You won't know. You will delete everything in the spam folder without knowing that NVC's email is there, or your junk folder. Okay, check those stuff. Okay, and now, like I said at the beginning of this video, we're gonna go over January 2023 visa bulletin board for some of you guys who are not immediate relative. Because if you are not immediate relative, before you get your welcome letter, before you get your interview appointment letter, your priority date has to be current. Priority date is basically the date the petition was filed. It has to be current, okay, before you can receive on those letters. So if you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. So guys, we're gonna talk about the date for filing chart, and then final action date. Okay, this is the date for filing chart. So this one is basically for some of you guys who are waiting for your welcome letter. Okay, so for if you are in F1 category, like here, and then you are from Philippines, this is gonna be your cutoff date. And you're gonna check your priority date against this cutoff date. So if your priority date is before April 22nd, 2015, then it's current. So you have to contact NVC or USCIS. Maybe wait like a month. If you don't receive anything from them, you can contact them and let them know that okay, your priority date is current, and you're waiting for your letter. Okay, so if you're in Mexico, it's gonna be this day right here on December 1st, 2002. If you're from India, it's gonna be August 8th, 2016. If you're from China mainland born, it's gonna be August 8th, 2016 as well. Now, if you are not from none of these countries, these four countries, you are a citizen of another country, you have to check this column. This column right here, which is all chargeability areas except on those listed. Okay, so it's going to be the same date, August 8, 2016. So this one is for people who are in F1 category. Okay, in case you are in F2 category, it's current, so you don't have to check your priority date against anything. You just have to wait until you receive your letter. Okay, the welcome letter or letter to start your green card process. Okay, and then people who are in F2B category. So F2B category, if you're in Philippines, this is the cutoff date, October 1st, 2013. If you're from Mexico, January 1st, 2002. If you're from India, January 1st, 2017. China mainland born, and then if you are a citizen of another country, beside those four countries, it's going to be the same cutoff date. People who are in F3 category. So in F3 category, let's see here. F3 category, Philippines is on November 8, 2003. Mexico, June 15, 2001. India, November 8, 2009. China mainland born, and the rest of the country is of the world it's gonna be the same cutoff date. And then F4 category, F4 is basically brothers and sisters of U.S. citizen. If you're from Philippines, this is the cutoff date. If you're from Mexico, this is the cutoff date right here. India, this is the cutoff date. And China mainland born December 15, 2007. And then if you are a citizen of another country, it's gonna be another country except those four countries. It's gonna be the same cutoff date, December 15, 2007. Now let's talk about date final action date. So for final action date, basically the same thing, but the dates are different. So the cutoff date for if you're from Philippines, so final action date, those are people who are waiting for the interview appointment letter, okay, waiting to see for the green card is approved and stuff like that. So over here, if you're from Philippines, like I say, it's gonna be March 1st on 2012. If you're from Mexico, November 15, 2000. India, December 1st, 2014. China mainland born. And then if you're from another country, you're citizens of another country, beside of these four countries, it's gonna be the same cutoff date. Okay, so people who are in a F2A category, it's current. You don't have to check your priority date against anything. If you're from F2B category, this is the F2B category from Philippines is October 22nd, 2011. Mexico, June 1st, 2001. India, September 22nd, 2015. China mainland born, same cutoff date on the rest of the countries. If you're a citizen of another country, then it's going to be the same cutoff date. Then we have an F13 category here. So F3 category for Philippines is going to be June 8, 2002. Mexico, November 1st, 1997. India, November 22nd, 2008. China mainland born, and then if you are citizens of another country, same cutoff date. And then the final category is F4 category. If you're from Philippines, it's going to be August 22nd, 2002. Mexico, August 1st, 2000. India, on September 15, 2005. China mainland born, March 22nd, 2007. And then if you're a citizen of another country, it's going to be the same cutoff date. Again, you have to check your priority date against this cutoff date. If your priority date is before this date, let's say for over here, for example, if your priority date is like February 10, is before the cutoff date here, means that it's current. Okay, you have to check with USCIS or NVC. So guys, if you have other questions, just let me know in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody you think will benefit from the video, well, go ahead and share with that person. If you like the video, well, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, go ahead and click on the bell. If you want to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button. If you want to support this channel, click on the super thanks. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. USA Monde.